Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to make a ton of money online. So, recently I've been earning a crazy amount of money online very easily just by downloading a few free applications. So, my younger brother actually showed me how to do this. So, you're going to go on the site called Starks.club. Alright, guys, there's two X's, Starks.club. So once you're on the site, basically you download free applications and each point is worth $1. So for example, this free application here, BetterNet VPN Proxy, you download it, open it, run it for 30 seconds. You don't need to pay for anything, obviously, and you earn $42. So that's absolutely amazing, you guys. There's different offers and applications available in different countries. So in Germany, I heard you can earn up to $200 in a single application from a mobile application, and there's even some email submits that are paying up to $2,000, and they take just a couple minutes to complete. So if you're in Germany especially, you're quite lucky, but this works in every single country in the world. So guys, as you can see, this one application paying over 1,000 points. That's over $1,000, guys. It's quite crazy. My younger brother, he started buying like a bunch of stuff, and I was like, mate, how are you getting all this stuff? You don't even have a job. And he ended up revealing to me this amazing application, Stacks.club. So, guys, I highly recommend you guys do this because it's such a high payout and it's not going to last forever, guys. So as you can see, the minimum payout is $100 and it automatically converts to any country you're from. So let's say you want to take the PayPal payout, it's going to take 100 points out and you can just keep redeeming it if you have more money than that. But as you guys can see, it's really easy to get 100 points because there's so many offers. So just from downloading apps on the App Store, 2-3 applications, and next thing you know, you've earned yourself $100. So it's quite amazing, guys. So let me just walk you through the process of how simple this is. So what you're gonna do is go on to one of these applications. So I'm gonna pick the BetterNet VPN Proxy, download, and it'll redirect me to the App Store. And once I'm on the App Store, guys, I'm just going to download the application. Guys, I've actually earned about $25,000 so far doing this. I've been doing this for about a couple of weeks now. Yeah, so it's going to prompt you to start a free trial because this is a VPN service, but you're just going to hit the X icon because you do not need to pay for anything, guys. So use free with ads, run it for about 30 seconds, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, guys, I've made so much money doing this. I've actually purchased my first car with this, so it's quite powerful stuff, guys. You can literally do this, every day, every morning you wake up, you do a bunch of offers, and you're good for the day, and you can do whatever you want. This is the ultimate internet lifestyle, so hopefully a lot of you actually take the time to try this because it's quite amazing. And yeah, guys, comment down below if you have a question or anything like that. I would love to help you out. And like this video and subscribe if you can because I would love to grow my channel. And yeah, guys, just comment down below if you have a question because I would love to answer your question. And I'm sure there's other people out there ready to answer any questions that you may have. Also, don't be afraid to share your experience and how much money you've made as well on the service. And it'll be quite interesting. I'd love to see what you guys have to say about this. So yeah, guys, comment down below if you need help, like this video if you enjoyed, please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, peace to the next time.